Hi y'all, this is Jean from Jean's Home Decor and More. Today is Saturday, December the 10th. This past week, I decided to go out and do a little thrifting and look at my finds. I thought these were really nice. So look at this one. This is a little candle holder, and I have a mirror here that also is a candle holder that I can put up on the wall, and this little angel that is a candle holder, a little Christmas candy holder, and this also is a little candle holder. But guess what? I'm going to work on these items and come back to you and show you what I have. This one, these two, I'm not going to do anything to, but these three items here, I'm going to work on those. I'm going to spray paint them, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay, I'm back. I spray painted the three candle holders. I spray painted them all metallic. It's a metallic paint and primer in one, which I like. I spray painted them gold. I didn't do anything with this one yet. I like this, but I was thinking, I'm not sure if I want to paint this, spray paint this gold. I might spray paint it white. So the verdict is still out on that. I'm out here in the garage where I was doing my spray painting. So I will post these or display them in some upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that. Okay, bye.